Good morning. This Beltane and Cinco de Mayo day, celebrated around the world and for thousands of years. In the case of Beltane, our connection with the earth, our connection with the Great Mother. And so, as I complete the installation of this glorious creature behind me that I have dragged a half a mile from the rubbish pile to here to stand as a testimony to beauty and creativity, I want to speak a prayer that I have written and revised and worked with over the years. Just as the sun rolls down this powerful talisman and portal behind me. Oh, supreme creativity, oh, awesome creativity, from which, by which, and in which all things arise. Oh, absolute love, wisdom, and power, rhythmically balancing all that is. Oh, eternal, pervading peace, beyond all desire, beyond all duality. Oh, infinite wellspring of our well-being. Well up in my heart, permeate, penetrate, and fill the inner spaces of our soul. Mold and enfold us in the master plan. Harmonize our purpose with the purpose of the all. I offer myself to this, to create with me and inspire me as we once vowed together. Guide me from the bondage of my ego self, my crippling sense of separation, that we may better evolve this master plan together. Show me my causes for my difficulties, and may I own them and learn from them and truly transcend them. Bless me and us and all sentient life this day to realize our radical oneness with you, the beloved, the supreme creativity, the source of it all. Make me an instrument of the way to enrich others in the world, especially now, through the very creativity wanting to express through me and through all of us. So let me sing your praises, celebrate your creations, manifest your wholeness, and enjoy the magnificent unfolding. So, let me celebrate your praises. Let me sing to your creations, manifest your wholeness, and enjoy the magnificent unfolding. Let me sing your praises, celebrate your creations, manifest your wholeness, and enjoy this magnificent unfolding that you have blessed us with on earth, just as it is in heaven. And heaven is within, as above, so below. Ho.